If you cannot able to do it, no need to do it, because of when I installing this Linux PC, okay, I I done few settings before I started installation, means at a time of creation of virtual machine only. I went to the processor, I selected this first check mark. See processor 1 and I put a 1 check mark. Okay, next. Also added a 3 lines. You know that 3 lines editing. So open VM directory. So see, look at these are my Linux files located under this folder. Okay, this is .vmx file. Okay, so I'm going to open with Notepad, but we can't change anything. System is running. So when I created a virtual machine, that time only I done this one. So don't do afterwards. See, I add something in the bottom, but it is gone. Why? Because once system is on, this setting file will be changes. So I'm searching for that one. It will be there here only under floppy disk 0 false. So firmware is EF5. So where is the 3 lines? This is the one of the line. Okay, this is one of the line VHV dot enable. This is true. Okay, I entered manually a few lines here. So I think where it is gone, hypervisor line. So that's we have to search and find where is that hypervisor line. Okay. Okay, no problem. So when I creating this virtual machine, I am unable to see that one. So added a 3 lines to that VMX file. That is these 3 lines. Due to that one, it will be there actually, but it is somewhere it is gone. Okay. No, this file only. No problem. Because due to that one, maybe I will get a virtualization enabled inside. Okay. The point is, guys, here it is, 2 parts. One is virtualization in Linux and virtualization, 2 things. In virtualization, okay, in a Linux mainly, there is its own platform is there. In Linux, they have a own platform is there, that is called a QEMU or KVM. Okay, this is a Linux based virtualization platform. Okay, it's a virtualization platform based on a Linux, Unix. Okay, there's a several type of different type of forms are there. Along with your Linux operating system, or if you are having a Red Hat Enterprise virtualization like a hypervisor. Okay, this also use same kind of platform KVM, QEMU. You don't get it, no problem. But listen, okay, anything like a Linux based, you're getting. So QEMU, KVM. Okay, any general Linux operating system with OS and this form. Like I got a CentOS. Okay, so I'm using Red Hat Enterprise Linux or a CentOS. Okay, I'm using CentOS OS. Along with OS, I'm getting virtualization. Virtualization. Okay, so that platform is QEMU and KVM. So you will get a virtualization platform based on the Linux. Only virtualization platform also you will get it. Also, that is called a RHEV type, means Red Hat Enterprise Virtualization. Okay. Now, to create a virtual machines, to create, what I'm trying to say is also to create a virtual machine in our PC. So again, PC, again, the meaning of PC is Intel PC. Okay. Now I'm not talking about Intel or Windows PC. It's just a PC, means it's a computer. Okay. To create a VM in our computer. So what we require? Just tell me. VMware workstation or a virtual box, right? Virtual box. Okay. So these are all nothing but a application. To create a virtual machine in our PC, what we require generally, so Oracle workstation or a virtual box applications. Using that one, we create a virtual machines. Okay. To create a virtual machine in our Linux PC, what we have by default, we got a hypervisor. Hypervisor means it's a built-in. Hyper means virtualization platform. Hypervisor meaning is, I'm telling in different ways. Same thing only I'm telling in different ways. Virtualization platform. By default, hypervisor. Okay. By default, hypervisor is there. That is same thing. Same thing only I'm telling. Okay. In different ways. Okay. If you want to create a virtual machine in a Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 10, compulsory 64-bit, Pro or Enterprise, not a home editions. Okay, so you will get a feature. Okay, you got a feature of Hyper-V in it. Okay, hypervisor name is feature hypervisor. What is this Hyper-V? It is also hypervisor. It's a nothing but a virtualization platform. What is Hyper-V? Hyper-V is a hypervisor, which is nothing but a virtualization platform. Okay. So not only this, also there is a one more important thing is that's in Windows 2008 64. Okay, 2008 R2. Okay, 2012. Okay, 12 R2, 2016, 2019. Built-in feature or a role is Hyper-V is there. Okay, so we have a along with operating system. I'm talking about a along with operating system. We got a hypervisor in the Linux. Is the platform name is QEMU KVM. To run virtual machines, to you want to run a means you have to create and run the virtual machine in your PC. If your PC is Windows 8, 8.1, Windows 10, 64-bit Pro and Enterprises, or it is a Windows Server like a 2008 64-bit, 2008 R2, 2012 12 R2. Okay, 2012 12 R2, 2016 2019, 2022. We have a Hyper-V, so that is a virtualization platform. Okay, in generally we are using an applications, VMware Workstation and VMware VirtualBox applications are a third-party application, not built-in features. These are all built-in. By default means it's a built-in. Built-in. You have to install that feature. Okay. Okay, guys, understand what is the virtualization difference? I'm using VMware Workstation to create this virtual machine. If I have a Pro, Windows 10 Pro, then I can install Hyper-V. I can install my Linux in the Hyper-V. Okay. How to check in a Linux, how to deal with this kind of stuff? Go to application. Okay. Find out system tools. You can see virtual machine manager. So open in a GUI mode. In CLI also you can able to do it. See, this is virtual machine manager. Okay, you can create a virtual machines in this machine. Like I want to create a virtual machine. I will show you how to create a virtual machine. Click on here, create a new virtual machine. Guys, is it visible or not?
Yes, sir, visible, sir.
Okay, right. So I click on this. So look at here, install a media, means you want to install a OS from ISO image or a CD-ROM. Do you want to install a operating system through network? Do you want to install from network boot PXE type? Import existing disk image. So like that, which one you want to install? Okay. Now I select this first one, forward. Okay. Use ISO image or CD-ROM. I have CD-ROM, built-in CD-ROM is there now, so why it is? Browse. No, it is not showing any kind of stuff. It should show CD-ROM. Okay, physical CD-ROM is not supporting in this kind of stuff. So I have to import kind of stuff. I have to do it. What I'm doing is under home. So no, not under home. I have a small image of operating system is there. It is around 1 GB OS drive. That is also a Linux. This is minimal. Okay, 7 only. So I'm trying to copy on my desktop. Just we have to wait a little bit time for copying it. So once it is copied, then only we can able to work with our system. Okay, just to show that is a format. And also while I'm installing this operating system, I check mark this virtualization related one. So go through once how to install a Linux operating system. That's starting I showed how to install OS. In that one, I check mark that virtualization, client virtualization kind of stuff. Okay, like this. So here it is. This is the image directly on this one. So this is a mounted image. This is a direct image. Is there on my desktop. Go to browse. So browse local. On desktop, I have image. Select image. Why it is showing size is very small. Now it is 1 GB. Okay, automatically detect means it is showing unknown. I said it is a Linux OS and it is a CentOS 7. Forward. Okay, so how much RAM you want to assign to it? I want to put a RAM, very small RAM. So like 512 is enough. Okay, more than enough. One CPU. Forward. How much GB you want to put it? 34.6 GB is available. only. Why? Because of it is under root. Under slash we have only this space is there. Yeah, I will give you 20 GB. Enable storage for this virtual machine. Okay, like this. Forward. So what machine you name you want to put it? Yeah, leave like this, no problem. I put a 15. Okay. So customize configuration before you install. Network selection, which network you want to select, like this. You want to bridge it? Yes, I want to bridge it. Private, pass through, like this. Okay, this is along with operating system, right? So that's a thing. So it is, I said a customize, right? I can choose the different options like a firmware. UFI is not found. Okay, no problem. BIOS firmware, KVM hypervisor, architecture is 64-bit. Okay, emulator is like this. Okay, a CPU, one CPU. You want to change. So what kind of CPU it is? Any technology you want to change it, kind of stuff. Memory you want to increase or decrease the memory. Boot option. Do you want to boot with a CD-ROM first or a virtual disk or like that? So you can able to boot order. Okay, so this is a what disk means virtual hard disk. Look at this virtual hard disk. QCOW2. Q means QEME. C means copy. O means on, write. QEME, copy and write. This is the virtual hard disk format. Okay, this is the virtual hard disk format. Yeah, like this. You have to go to each and everything, which one you want to select it. So I select a begin installation. Now machine is creating. Installation may not work. Why? Because of it is not copied properly. It has to be copied properly. The image. See, it is image not copied properly. That's why it is showing some BIOS error. So I'm deleting this. Yes, delete it. Again, copy it once again if possible. Better to go copy into the folder instead of desktops. What happened? Do not touch till it is copy completed. Guys, don't worry if it is working or not. I want to show you the Linux thing in the PC. Not showing any other options like copied, not copied. So go to settings. This says VM, full screen mode, console, send key. Okay. So migrate, delete, view manager, like this. Shut down, save. Machine details. This is a snapshot also introduced here. I put a reboot. Yes, very good. Now CD-ROM. The CD-ROM, disconnect, connect, browse. Okay, it is on desktop, right? So it is not on desktop. browse local root. Here it is. Open. Okay. What happening? It's not copying properly. It's not copying it. 1 GB. Shit. When I set it is reboot, it is not doing anything. Shut down. Very good. It is not at all copying, so no need to worry. If you have to shut down this, and otherwise you have to delete if you don't want it. So I'm deleting everything. So VDA, virtual hard disk, HDA, hard disk. See, this is how to delete it. But why it is not copying properly? Last time also got same problem. Why it is why? But thing is, why it is not copying properly? So it is a 600. This is around 1 GB. This is 4 GB, 4.4, 4.5 GB. So check the size of the file after download. 3.6. Waste. Okay, sorry. Only one trial I will do it. What is the trial? I will upload directly from my machine. How to upload? How to upload an image from my physical machine to Linux machine? How to do it? Only one thing I want to show you, but relax, guys. Don't worry. Okay. Up to now, what we discussed, that is thing. And meanwhile, I will tell one thing. Yeah, don't upgrade now, so it will take a lot of time. No upgradation. Just same only login. Okay, no changes. 128 only Linux. Okay, so this is the root. Okay, under root on desktop, I will copy the file. Okay, so this is app folder. This is the Z drive. In the OS folder, where is my Linux? CentOS or anything? No problem. This is a Windows 10. CentOS. So this is Red Hat. CentOS minimal. So I drag and drop. Like this. So guys, understand what is the use of this WinSCP. Okay, finally successfully copied. Okay, look at this on desktop. So successfully copied. So you can see 1 GB is there. You can see properties. See 1 GB is there. Now I'm creating virtual machine. Click here, ISO image, browse, desktop, not this one, this, remove this library, remove this, whatever it is, first local, desktop, okay, where it is, I download, I deleted. Oh. Why, where it is gone? Very good. Completed, sorry. So, how many times we are doing? So we are browse local, desktop. This is the one. Open. Okay. Automatically detect. Try. Nothing. So find out it is a Linux based operating system. So Red Hat 6. 6 is not here. 610 it is showing. 6 unknown. No problem. So 6. 1 GB not required. I'm giving 512. Okay. Forward. So 9 GB, it is saying 9 GB enough. I put a 10 GB disk for this one. It's 6.2 only. Rel unknown. So I put a CTS 15. Okay. Customize network selection. Network selection is like bridging connection. Finish it. Okay. So CPU, memory, options like this. Virtual hard disk. Okay. So begin installation. So if any problem we got it, we'll see again. We don't see again. Okay. So here it is. My Linux installation. Enter. I'm installing Linux 6 in the CentOS 7, which is running in my Windows 10. Okay. So how many virtualizations are there, guys? So this is Windows 10. In Windows 10, through VMware, I'm running a CentOS machine. Inside a CentOS, I'm installing now this so like this. It may not work. It's not working anyway. It contains some error. Guys, understand virtualization kind of stuff? Let it go on. Just I'm closing it. Even though you're close, it running in my PC. Okay, that is called a type 1 virtualization kind of stuff. These are a Hyper-V, PUEME, KVM, type 1 virtualization. You can see I close this virtual machine even though it is running in a system. Of course, it's not installing. Again, means it got some problem, so that's not a big deal here. So I'm closing this virtual machine manager also. Yeah, it is open automatically because of this. Guys, first command to open virtual machine manager like this. Okay, you want to run a particular virtual machine, so also you able to give what related commands. So put a what hyphen, press the tab button, you'll get a things. What clone, what viewer, virtual machine viewer. You can give viewer for which virtual machine it is RHEL 6. Okay, hyphen CTS 15 something is there. See, this is the virtual machine directly I've opened. Okay, what install kind of stuff is there. So Control C I'm putting. You want to create your own virtual machine. This is what install means. You can create your own machine. So I'm creating my own machine VM1. Yeah, I have to give one by one. So like a hyphen name is VM1 hyphen 128 MB. Okay. I have to tell a storage is like a 10 GB storage. So we'll see. So install. Memory. Okay, I didn't give any other specifications. Okay, so error must be okay, so then it is storage is 10 GB. Like this, you can give these commands. Nothing will work. That's why I told like that. Okay, so here is a virtualization kind of stuff, guys. Here is a what manager to open the virtualization management. What viewer with the VM name to open virtual machine. Virtual machine. Okay, to open virtual machine manager. Okay, GUI mode also we already I showed in GUI mode the commands only. What install to create virtual machine. Okay, so these are the basic virtual machine commands, virtualization thing, virtualization platform. That's it, guys. That's not more than that. Okay, delete this one also. Not required. Yeah. Do you know anybody know how to power off the machine?
Power of on.
Power
Off.
off, right? So when you put a power off, yeah, shit. I given power off. Sorry. Actually, there is a small point. Napala. iNet tab is there. Okay, you have to show you. I want to show you iNet tab kind of stuff. Okay, leave it. Okay, /etc/ iNet tab. Okay, so here it is, guys. iNet signals are there. 0, iNet 6. This is means halt. Halt means usually shut down or turn off or off. You can say anything. 6 means it's a command only. 6 means iNet 6 is a command for reboot, but we are using a reboot command directly. Okay, iNet 1, iNet 2, these are the settings. 3, iNet 4, iNet 5. Okay, so iNet 1 represent single user mode. Okay. Single user mode. iNet 2 is multi-user without NFS, means network kind of things it won't work here. It is a multi-user with NFS. Actually, it is CLI full version. Okay, it's a full CLI type. Okay, user defined. It is no, nothing is there. Actually, it is nothing. Some places user defined is there, so I'm also putting nothing kind of stuff. This is multi-user with NFS, and important one is it is X11 and multi-user with things. It means it is nothing but it's a full GUI version. This is full but CLI version. So everything works in a 6 and 7. In INIT, there is a ID kind of stuff is there. ID : there's something INET like a boot controlling power kind of stuff is there. Okay, but here it is in this setting. If you have a 1 and you restart a computer, it loads single user mode. If it is a 3, okay, if it is a 3, otherwise you can see in a Google a shutdown PC, right? INIT tab file. Okay, so this is the tab file. So you can go to images. To look at the tab file, you will get it. In 7, it is different. So these are run levels. Yeah, this is the good one. So you can see here it is ID 5 iNet default, ID : 5 iNet default in this file, iNet tab file. Okay, it is a run level. the run levels. Okay, if it is showing like this, change it also, but that is works in only up to 6 only. This is up to 6 only, guys, not 7 type. Okay, 7 is different. 3 means your system boots multi-user mode with NFS, only CLI, no GUI. Okay, if it is a 5, your system boots with full GUI. You are a GUI system 5. You change 5 to 3. If you are a GUI system, but you will get a black screen only, means CLI screen only you will get it. First of all, you are a GUI system, you change 5 to 3, you will get a CLI. So this is called a run levels. So the first two things means inet 0, inet 6 are a comments. inet 0, inet 6 use it for a comments only. Commands only. Okay, remaining are settings. You know, lot of people ask question kernel. Okay, so kernel set, do you know kernel management? Do you know boot management? This is one of the boot management. When you start your computer, which mode it should be start? Is it a single user mode or a multi-user mode CLI? Multi-user mode with a GUI like this. So these are the run levels. Yeah, that's it. Your Linux completed. No need to ask again. That's it for today, guys, and relax. Actually, I want to close at 5:30 only. Just I got to remember this virtualization. Okay, that's it for it today. Anything you want to say, you can say, no problem. Then stop recording.